Hi, it's Vince Gordon again. We're going to be talking about more of our in-cab solutions, allowing the driver to get some additional tools to make his job a little bit easier. Our proof of delivery system includes barcode scanning and order processing on an iPad, sign-on glass for customer approvals, and automatic reconciliation with the customer's files. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone and welcome. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview of our proof of delivery system contained inside our TMS application. Our proof of delivery system lives within the delivery module in TMS. As you can see on the screen, I have previously selected a stop on my stop list on the left, and I'm automatically seeing on the right the POD form, the proof of delivery form associated with this stop. As you can see on the right side, on the top, we have different tabs. Each one of these tabs represent a different form. The POD tab is the proof of delivery form. Then we have the credit memo tab and the debit memo tab. On the POD tab, this form consists of different sections. A section right below the tabs shows you a summary of all the purchase orders associated with this particular delivery. If in the section below that is the store location information, not just the name of the location, but also the scheduled arrival time. We can track the actual delivery time and the delivery start time. For the section on the right, for temperatures, these are the compartment temperatures that are associated with the trailer linked to this route. These temperatures can be entered manually or automatically if we have reefer integration. On the bottom section, we have a section that allows us to enter any information related to delivery equipment. The button next to that allows us to view any pictures that are associated with this particular delivery that have been taken using the camera feature that you can see on the top right of the screen. Next to the right back at the bottom, next to the image viewer button, you'll see a button that allows us to see any reports associated with this delivery. And next to that is the button that allows the managers of the location to sign for this delivery. Below that, we have a section where we track the start and end of the delivery process, as well as a field for drivers to enter the odometer at the arrival of the location. Next to that, we have a button that allows us to enter comments, and next to that is the button that allows drivers to upload all this information to our servers, where we distribute the associated reports with the distribution center and stores if is the case. If we look within this form quickly, if I select one of these POs, for example, the first PO 010, I will show you that we are able to display all the products associated with this PO grouped by compartment. As you can see, we have the frozen compartment, chill compartment, dry and produce for this particular account. We can, using these buttons, we can sort the different compartments in any way that we choose. We can also sort products in any way that we choose, or even a custom way that is previously defined with your account, your company. If you look to the right and top of the screen, you will see a barcode button that allows drivers to access the barcode scanning feature that allows you to just automatically scan all these products instead of manually entering the information. If your account is set up for barcode scanning, this is where you will go to continue that process. If we move to the credit memo form, just a quick overview. If you look in the middle for the product details section, you'll see there's a list of pre-approved items that the driver can pick up at this location. Below that is the section to view any pictures related to this credit memo. The section for the driver to sign and verify that the quantity of those products was the previously approved. And next to that, we have a button to enter comments and upload the information. Same thing for the debit memo. The debit memo form, if you look at the product details section in the middle, to the right of it, there's a plus sign. Using this plus sign will allow drivers to add any products that are being dropped at this location as a last minute addition. This will allow them to keep track of them. At the bottom of that form, same as at the memo form in the POD, the credit memo form in the POD form, which allows you to view pictures taken under this form, sign for it, enter comments, and upload the information. In other videos, we will go into detail in these different forms for training purposes. Thank you for your time. I'll see you next time.